Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you are new and haven't subscribed our channel, press the subscribe button. In this video, we are going to learn how to use shell and wrap command in Solidworks. So let's start. We have made this sketch and this is the shape of the bottle. We are going to revolve this shape. So as you can see that we have revolved the shape, we have got the solid bottle. Let me show you the section view of this bottle. As you can see that this is solid, so we want to make it hollow, so that's why we are going to use shell command. So let's see what is shell. Hollows out a part, leaving open the faces you select and creating thin wall feature on the remaining faces. If you do not select a face, shell creates a closed hollow model. So we will select some face and it will remove that face and will make the hollow and will make the thin walls around other faces. So we will go to shell command. Now from here it is saying faces to remove. So our face to be open is this. So this is our opening. So we will select this face. Now you can see that nothing is occurring. So we will select show preview. Now you can see that you can see yellow lines in this model. It is showing the wall from this part to this yellow line. This is the wall thickness. So if we will shell outward, it will be make outward of this model. We are going to make it inside, and from here you can increase or decrease the wall thickness. Select OK. So now you can see how easily you have follow your model. You don't have to use extrude cut or lofted cut for that complex model to be hollow. Now go to section view. Now you can see how easily you have made this bottle or model hollow. So you can make any of your model or object hollow by using shell command. Now we will see what is wrap command. For that we will make some sketch. Like we are going to make some design on this bottle. Like this. So this is a design I want to wrap on this model. So what I will do is, you can see that I have made this sketch on the right plane. Now I will project it on this face. So for that we will go to wrap command. Wrap a closed sketch contour onto a face. Two methods are available. Analytical wraps a sketch onto a planar or non-planar face, while spline surface wrap a sketch on any face type but cannot wrap around a model. So there are two methods. One is to sketch on a planar surface, or other is spline sketch on the non-planar surface. So what we will do is we will go to wrap command. So there are three types: emboss, deboss and scribe. Emboss is your extrude, deboss is extrude cut, and scribe is it will just project it onto face. So let's see. First of all, from this box select your source sketch, and from here select the surface on which you are going to project your model. So first of all we are going to see what is scribe. So as you can see that our model or sketch has been projected to this model. So now you can select this face and you can color it or you can do anything. So this was our scribe. Now we will see what is emboss. Emboss means that this sketch will be extruded on this face. So what we will do is we will give some extrude depth, select OK, and now you can see that it is extruded on this surface. So this is emboss type of wrap. Now we will see what is extrude cut. So we will select deboss and we will give some direction, and from here we will give face. select OK. So now you can see that our deboss feature has been activated. So this was our tutorial on wrap and shell command. Our next tutorial will be on assembly because our features have been completed in the Solidworks course. So keep watching and keep sharing our videos.